I want to show y'all what I got going on here. Finna get ready to cook brown stewed chicken. Here goes some more of my fresh seasonings that I'm gonna put on top. Little potato. Get ready to thicken it. And then I'm gonna make some rice and peas, y'all, the easy way. I'm gonna show y'all. All right. All right, y'all. So basically what I did was go to the butcher, got a whole chicken. I asked them to chop it up for me. I still had to come home and chop it up some more. But I took the skin off, chopped it up like this. Yeah, I'm gonna just take all the seasoning off. Let me make sure this is ready. You want your grease hot, okay? And then I'm gonna just basically like fry this for a little bit. And this is like, okay, so most of the time, authentically, when they do this, they're basically like browning the chicken this way. But I'm not going to overcrowd the skillet because I want it to cook evenly. But yeah, basically, I'm going to just brown it on both sides. And then I'm doing 2 batches, y'all. Save all this good seasoning and everything because we're going to use that in a bit. Just hold up. Okay, y'all. So once you browned it a little bit like that on each side, you see what color it is there? Don't worry. The oil is in here. It's just like the browning is mixing with it. But it's still doing what it's supposed to be doing, you know? So, go ahead and take the chicken and put it over here so I can get the next batch going, okay? So I added the fresh seasoning, okay, in the skillet. Now, back here I have water getting hot because you don't want to add cold water. And I'm going to add all of its juices back into here. Okay, y'all, so once you got that, you know, this is like this. I'm just going to top it with, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some of this hot water into here because we're going to use this, okay? And then I'm just going to take this and pour it over the chicken. Ooh. Okay. And this is how you stew it, Put a lid on it. Put a lid on it and walk away. So right here I got a scallion and a half or whatever. I just chopped it up and then like kind of smashed the flavor up out of it. Like, I'll zoom in. You see how I did that there? I kind of smashed the flavor up out of it. I have a can of coconut milk here. I mixed it up. Because it usually comes like separated. And I mixed it up just now. If you ever get a can of coconut milk, you'll know what I'm talking about. And I got my can of beans right here. I'm going to open these up and then I'm going to show you in a second. Okay, so now you see this that's stuck in the bottom of the can? I'm going to take that and I'm going to smash it, okay? That's what's going to give us that little bit of tint. And then I already put most of the beans in here. So I'm going to up and put these inside of the pot. Hold on one second. All right, y'all. So let's peek in here. See what we got going. It don't need no water just yet. But there's our brown. It's a lot of... I cook my meat down, y'all, till it's motherfucking tender as shit. Okay? I don't be playing with that. I'm going to taste for seasoning in a little bit. I'm going to let it keep going. Because I still got to add a couple. But I'm going to throw the top back on here for now and let it keep going. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So you see it? It didn't cook down a little bit, right? All my vegetables didn't cook the way though, and I don't like that. So in here I have the rest of my fresh seasonings along with a Scotch bonnet. I got kids, so I don't put the bonnet in there, you know. So I'm going to add the bonnet and the rest of the fresh seasonings. And then I'm going to top it with some more water. More water. And then I'm going to also go ahead and add my potatoes in here, okay? All right. All right, y'all. So I'm going to stir this and give this time to cook down. All right, y'all. And now the last ingredient that I'm going to add is some good old ketchup. Add that ketchup. It's the most important part. I know it may seem weird. Ketchup, home chick, in that shit. All right, y'all. It's cooked down. Well, it's cooking down. I'm gonna still let it go for a little bit longer. My meat is just about done. But check it out, ladies and gents. Y'all ain't never gotta go anywhere else. If you want me to make you some brown stew, just call me. Alright, y'all. Here go the rice and peas. I'm gonna just fluff this back. Fluff it up. Fluff it up. It's gonna be a little bit on the sticky side because we use coconut milk, but there's the rice and peas. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, steam away. Okay. Hey. Oh, there we go. Ooh, y'all. I can't wait to eat.